on the remote. Oh crap, hang on. All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm just going to talk really quickly about all these different RC cars and planes, and I do have one boat. I know Christmas is coming up around the corner, and I've been working with this company for, I don't know, at least a year now, and I really do like them. If you read some of the comments on Amazon, people really have good luck too with like their customer service. If you do have any problems, I have had no problems with any of these. They've been a lot of fun. I'm going to tell you some of the speeds that some of these RC cars you'll get, the speed of this boat. These two airplanes are actually really easy to fly as long as you have like a big open field. You don't want to fly these somewhere where you got a bunch of trees all over the place because you're probably going to wreck them, but they are pretty simple to fly. And I do have videos on me running these RC cars, so I will put links to those videos down in my description, and some of the links will be right at the end of this video, but I can only put 4 there, so I will pick 4 of these, and they will be right at the end of this video, and the rest will be down in the description, along with links to everything in case you do want to check them out on Amazon. Just so I do not forget to tell you, make sure there's always, if I can put here on the screen, I will try to point to it, but there's always like somewhere on Amazon that you can either click for like a coupon or a percentage off. And so pretty much all these have either a % off or like $30 off. And they're all running deals right now because of like this Black Friday stuff. So this is November 22nd, 2024. So I'm going to tell you the prices of at least these RC cars, and I think I have the boat. I don't have the planes. I think the planes are under $100. Let me start with the one here with the red rims on. This is probably one of, no, this one over here is one of the slowest ones. But this one here with the red rims will do, now this is what they say it will do online. I've never checked myself, but I do know definitely some are faster than others. They say this will go 30 miles an hour or 50 kilometers an hour, wherever you live. Very fun little RC car. I just actually did a review on this. I like the red rims on it, pretty cool. They say you will get around 40 minutes of playtime on it. Now that definitely depends on how long you're running it. It's a 1/14 scale. Pretty much all these are 1/14 scale except for this one. This is a 1/10 scale. This actually is one of my favorite, this one and this one. But I like this one just because it's a 1/10 scale. It's a little bit bigger. It's definitely one of the more expensive ones here. But this car over here costs, right now, today, $84 on Amazon. All these videos are on my DIY Gym Reviews YouTube channel. So if you click on them links and they take you to my other channel, I do ask that you guys could subscribe to that channel and help me out. It's another channel I'm trying to grow. They're all really, really simple, easy little review videos, along with a lot of these RC type things. I like these cars so much I wanted to put it on my main channel. I really don't think you would be disappointed if you bought any of these, depending on if you want something fast or slower. But all right, so we went over that one. All these cars, they pretty much say they're waterproof or splash proof, so I don't know if I would really be running it out and sinking it in the water, but so if you hit a little bit of puddle here or there, I think you'd be okay with all these. They do all come with 2 batteries. They all come with a controller. They all come with chargers. The only thing you have to buy with any of these, counting the planes, the boat, only thing you have to buy are batteries for in the remote control. It comes with everything else. And they all come with 2 batteries, even the boat and the planes. I think they all even have LED lights, even the planes and the boat. They have lights on them. You can see some of the cars right now are on. This one has lights underneath. It's pretty cool. See, this is one of the slower ones. That one's actually the slowest. I have the jet boat over here. This is an actual jet boat. There is no props on it. It actually sucks the water in here and shoots it out the back, which is really cool if you live somewhere where you got like a creek and there's rocks and stuff. That's why I wanted to try this one out. I actually told him to send me this one, and we have videos of me running this in the creek, and it went flying over some rocks even. Well, you can see, I don't know if you can see, that's a little dinged up a little bit even on the bottom. But it was a really fun little jet boat. Not really the good time of the year to be selling little boats, but if you want to buy that for your young boy or young girl, really fun little boat. Definitely really recommend that. That was a lot of fun. It does have a brushless motor on it, and they say, I never tried it, but they say you get around 30 minutes of run time. Oh, and the jet boat, that costs right now today right around $65. And there is, what I seen today, I checked it, there's a 10% off coupon. So make sure you watch for that coupon. All right, now let's go to this one here. This is one of my favorites. And this actually does come with two different bodies. You get this orange body and this pink body. And you can take the little spoiler thing and put it on both the bodies if you want. Like I said, this is the 110 scale. I like that. That just pretty much means it's a little bit bigger than these ones. But you can go 60 kilometers an hour or 37 miles per hour with this one. And this comes with two 3S batteries. The rest of these come with 2S batteries. This one right here, though, you can run on 3S batteries, but it comes with 2S batteries. The 3S batteries, actually, if you don't know anything about RC cars, it's going to give it more speed and more power. They say this is waterproof and has a brushless motor also. So let's kick this one on. This is what this looks like, if I don't hurt myself. All these cars, too, are four-wheel drive. They all have like metal drive shafts, metal gears. Yeah, metal gears, metal drive shafts, metal dog bones. So they're pretty, I mean, you'll see in some of the videos, if you end up watching any of them videos and subscribing to that channel, I do wreck them a lot, roll them over, flip them. They're pretty durable. Along with it being really durable, all the parts I think on these are replaceable. If you look in the manual, it will tell you a different part number for all the parts on these things. So I would say these are like getting into the hobby stage RC cars, but not $500. All right, let's talk about the Black Panther. That's this black one here. This thing is a crazy, crazy RC car. Crazy. That thing is fast, especially if you put 3S batteries in it. Like I said, it does come with two 2S batteries, but if you end up buying 3S and putting in that, to me, I think it's almost too fast. I would just stick with the 2S batteries, really, but I think I have a... Oh, I don't know. That might be the 3S battery, but that thing is crazy fast. Yeah, that says it'll go about 46 miles per hour and 70 kilometers an hour. Like waterproof, like I said. Oh, you can get this for... You can get that for about $139, and there's a $50 coupon, so you're going to get it for less than that if you click on the coupon. Oh, and this one, I don't know if I told you, this one here is about $143, and there's a $10, I've seen there's a $10 off coupon for this one. And we'll go over this one over here. This is definitely one of the slower ones and one of the cheaper ones from DEERC. Oh, and another thing, all these RC cars and the RC boat on the remote. Oh, crap. Hang on. Whoops. They do all have the remote, the controllers are all a little bit different, but they have, like right here, it says speed. So you can adjust the speed. If I turn this all the way down, it will go a lot slower. All those do that, I think even that boat, let me go look at it, but I think you can change the speed on them. Oh, maybe not. Maybe you can't change the speed on that. But you can change it on all these the cars. Oh, I'm going to break this sucker yet. Hang on. Let me turn this off before I break it. That's just showing you the durability. But now this black one here, that one, today when I looked it up, it was $71 with a 10% off coupon. You could click on that 10% off coupon so you get 10% off that $71 for the cheaper one. And there are some other ones on there I've seen. They did send me a couple other things. I will try to maybe put a couple pictures of some other stuff here on the screen that are on sale right now, and really awesome cars or boats or planes. So just, you can look down in my description. I'll have different ones down there that you can click on a link and check it out. Yeah, there was one they did send me. I haven't got to play with that yet. I'd like to try that maybe this summer coming up, but it's 23% off right now. It's $169. That one goes 50 miles per hour, so that would be faster than all these. Yeah, I think if I would recommend any of these, if you want one that doesn't cost as much, like one of the cheaper ones, I feel like I would recommend this one with the red wheels on it. I mean, this one here is not that much cheaper, but that one there is a lot more fun, I think. I like that one better. Then, if you ain't scared to spend a little more money, I would recommend this one. I really like this 110 scale. Then this one after that. This thing is just crazy, but it's almost, because it's so small and so fast, you really got to be good at running an RC car. The tires are actually starting to go bald on it. Actually, in my video, it was going so fast, it blew the tire right off. The tires are, these tires are like glued on the rims, and the glue broke and blew the tire off. I had to re-glue the tire back on because it went so fast. And this plane, if I didn't tell you, this plane here was, out of these two planes, this plane is a little faster than that plane. And this plane, actually, you can do flips and rolls with that plane. Really, really cool, really fun. I don't know, I think you'd be happy with any of these. So I hope you check out some of them links down in my description, along with helping me out to subscribe to my other YouTube channel. So that's about it for this. I hope you guys have a good Thanksgiving and a good Christmas. Thanks for watching this. If you have any questions, throw a comment down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video. God bless and have a great holiday.